Hi, my name is Hian. Thank you for being part of this no-code AI ML course. I'm going to give you an overview of the course and talk to you more about what this course is going to be going over time. All right, a little bit about myself. I have a bachelor's in aerospace engineering. I've been doing trajectory analysis for launch vehicles using auto-tuning, which for over the last 5 years. It turns out that this auto-tuning is relevant for tuning hyperparameters in machine learning algorithms, and which is why I was able to use this to speed up solving problems that would take months to solve by hand to just a couple of weeks. And so here's some of the projects that we worked on. Was a common aerial vehicle, and it looks something similar to this, where it would deliver a payload across the ocean to its enemy territory, and we were able to animate and simulate this from the trajectory data, showing the stages separating from the rocket and deploying the launch vehicle and having it glide across the surface of the Earth. It's a pretty cool project, but it turns out that this project was a very expensive build, so I don't know if they actually done it or abandoned the project. Alright, then I started developing trading bots for the last 8 years using desktop software called UBot Studio, and it creates a no-code web automation tool that connects via API and also a user interface for you to interact and trade with cryptocurrencies. It does it tracks the price data, and depending on the velocity or the acceleration of the price, it makes decisions and then trades and places orders on using Anvil. I'll give you a little demonstration here on how this works. It's also a no-code trading platform, or actually development platform, where we turn into a trading platform where you can develop the user interface and be able to license the software to your end users, and also connect to other stronger computers or faster computers, and connect to machine learning models and AI models, and be able to deploy your software as a service live to your customers. So looked into LangChain using OpenAI and ChatGPT 4o, using large language models to make decisions with the trading bot. But yet some of the caveats for that is that the cost of the data can be prohibitive, as you're constantly querying ChatGPT for information, and so that's some of the constraints that we need to work with over that. Okay, and that's a demonstration here. I'll show you a little bit of how this works, how you can drag and drop models quickly, and it's all done in Python. And then you can connect it to your large language model or your neural network on your computer and do a live connection with a WebSocket to process and feed data to a stronger computer, and then display that through Anvil, which is the no-code platform for developing your visualization. A little background on my certifications. I'm a certified deep learning specialist. I've gone over generative AI with LLM, convolutional neural networks, supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, hyperparameter tunings, and also worked with sequence and time series with prediction. I'm also certified TensorFlow developer with natural language processing. Also got the computer vision certificate and working with classifications, and also deep learning with PyTorch. You're familiar with that, the open source code that would help you in your coding endeavors. But this is no code, so we probably won't be touching on that for now, but I have the experience on it. Okay, so understand machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So it helps machines learn from data without explicitly being programmed. So it plays a crucial role in data analysis, pattern recognition, and making decisions. And so with no code ML course overview, what we can do is it's a collaboration between Purdue University and Simplilearn. We leverage no-code AI platforms from data analysis, and we then will build predictive models to make data-driven decisions. So who's this for? It's for anyone that are business analysts, data analysts, product manager, consultants, and anyone that's exploring machine learning. So this course will provide you with tools and resources to succeed in the world of no-code AI and machine learning. What no-code machine learning allows us is it helps us leverage ML models without programming skills. We can apply machine learning techniques without having a dedicated team of science teams. we can also get a competitive edge and stay ahead of technology and your competition with no-code machine learning. So you can have faster deployments, faster to market, faster to analysis, without having to learn the nuances of having to program. Okay, so the program outcomes of this course is that you'll be able to master the AI and machine learning concepts. You'll be able to learn about data and the features, different models and algorithms. You'll be able to learn how to train, how to test, and evaluate whether your model is good or not. And we'll be leveraging different no-code platforms such as DataRobot, Dataiku, Amazon SageMaker, and be able to kind of select which ML models that is appropriate for the problem. You'll learn how to train, evaluate, and deploy, and then you'll implement no-code in real-world applications, and such as feedback analysis, prediction, forecasting, and image recognition. Okay. So the fundamentals of AI learning, what we can learn is to learn about different AI algorithms, when to use what algorithms and solve what problems. Once we have that, we can scale your models so that other people can use it, and it'll help you understand the importance of ML ops and that scalability, and then when to use code versus no code in your applications. Okay, so the course objectives here, we're going to explore key objectives and structures of the course in that equipping learners with practical no-code machine learning skills. Okay, so such as no-code platforms for data collection, advanced data cleaning techniques. You're going to handle missing values, find outliers, text data pre-processing, and advanced feature engineering. Integrate data for predictive modeling, grabbing data from web scraping, from APIs, Internet of Things, without even coding at all. And then be able to visualize that data without any code. Okay, is that pretty cool? And then once we get all this data, we're going to apply supervised learning models, whether supervised or unsupervised algorithms. And we'll do a clustering dimensionality and see anomalies, detections, and build classifiers. So we can sort that data, put them in the clusters, and then actually build metrics on how accurate is our classification, how accurate are we sorting these things, and how precise is the data that we're getting out of this. And then rolling it down to an F1 score for the model. And then we'll talk about advanced AI ML topics, going deep into the neurons, the weights, regression problems, how to forward and back propagate the data to train your network. We'll look into recurrent neural networks, the attention mechanism, and also transformers such as ChatGPT, and how that works and how that all fits in and how that gives it context for the tokens of each word, and then how words are generated through natural language processing and predicting the next word in the model or prompt. Okay. So, and then once we get these models done, there's some hyperparameter tuning that we will look into. Make sure that the model is not overfitting or underfitting. We'll apply regularization techniques to help mitigate that. And we'll be able to deploy models as APIs and integrate them in web and mobile applications with no code. And monitor and manage the models over time. So as things change or things grow, there's more data, be able to incorporate that. And then we'll look into some case studies and successful no-code AI ML projects. Okay. So with prompt engineering with ChatGPT, we're also going to be learning some in-context learning on how to give ChatGPT some references and some context to what we are asking for in the prompt, and then asking it to give us what we need, so that way we can improve the performance of the models and control the behavior of what we want as a response, so it doesn't give us unexpected responses. And we'll explore some use cases of using ChatGPT, and also how to fine-tune some ChatGPT models so that's specific for either medical field or for maybe the legal aspect field or legal field, and so that they're more geared towards that subject or expertise. Okay. Alright, so I just want to say this is exciting times. I want to say you're in the right place in the right time, and it's definitely an exciting world to be in. I'm excited, and I hope that you're just excited as I am about this course. So thank you so much for being here for this overview, and I look forward to giving you more instruction on the rest of this course. And thanks so much for being here.